Hi everyone, I'm Shayda and welcome back to the channel. In the last videos, we learned how to connect Python to CATIA and automate simple tasks. Today, we're going one step further. We'll create a custom title block in CATIA automatically using PyCATIA. You'll see how just a few lines of Python can draw borders, add text, and create a professional title area all automatically. And as always, you can find all the example files and scripts on my GitHub. The link is in my channel profile. Alright, let's jump into the code. So I already have CATIA open with an empty A4 drawing document. Let's switch to Python and start building our script. First, we import PyCATIA and connect to the running CATIA session. And then we grab the active drawing and the current sheet. This is the one we'll modify. Inside that sheet, we have something called the background view. That's where title blocks and frames are usually drawn. Once we activate it, we can use Factory 2D to create geometry directly in the background. Here I'm defining some coordinates for the position and size of our title block. Then we create lines for the outer and inner border and smaller ones to split it into sections. Draw the outer borders and inner borders. These are horizontal dividers and this is vertical divider. Finally, we add text labels like title, drawn by, date, and revision and fill them with values. Add text label and add text values. Switch back to the main view and update the sheet. Switch back to main view and update the sheet. And that's all it takes to build a simple, clean title block automatically. Before running the script, make sure your CAD drawing is open and the sheet size is set to A4 landscape. Otherwise, the block might appear in the wrong position. Now, once you run it, you'll see the title block appear instantly with all lines and text placed perfectly. You can fully customize this layout, change text, add your logo, or pull metadata automatically from the part. I've uploaded the full script and example CAD drawing file to my GitHub repository, so you can download it and test it yourself. You'll find the GitHub link in my YouTube channel profile. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments what you like to automate next. Thanks for watching, and as always, happy automating.